Yes, we are looking on complex numbers, the introduction to complex numbers. So, after watching this video, you should be able to differentiate the two main parts which fall under complex numbers, right? So, firstly, you have to know the issue under complex numbers, right? Under complex numbers, we have this condition a plus bi, whereby a we call it the real part. Call it the real part. Then this part b, which is the coefficient of I, we call it the imaginary part. The imaginary part. The imaginary part. So I want to show where this I comes from. Where this I comes from. Alright. Sometimes we may be asked to solve the equation. Sometimes we may be asked to solve the equation x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. So in order to solve the equation x squared plus 9 is equal to 0, first thing we have x squared is equal to minus 9. So in order to get the value of x, we have to introduce square both sides, which means x is equal to. Then we have root of negative 9. Root of negative 9 is not error, but it is the same as root of negative 1 times root of 9. Root of negative 1 times root of 9, right? But root of this negative 1, root of negative 1 is the same as I. So root of negative 1 is same as I. Then root of negative 1 is same as I. So instead of writing root of negative 1, you have to write I. So x is equals to the root of 9, which is plus or minus 3. Then we have a root of negative 1, which is the same as I. So x is equals to minus 3i, or x is equals to 3i. So this is where this I is derived from after solving some quadratics. Alright. I said after watching this video, you have to know the main two parts under complex numbers. A plus bi is a plus bi, whereby a is the real part and this part bi is the imaginary part. And this working shows where this I is derived from. And also, you should know, since you said root of 1 is equal to I, we said this I is equivalent to root of negative 1. Since I is equivalent to root of negative 1, you should also know that I squared. What is I squared? I squared is the same as negative 1, then I to the power of 3, which is I power of 3, which is I squared times I, which is I squared is this one. This one is I squared. I squared is negative 1. I squared is negative 1. So I squared 843 is same as I squared times I. This is also, but we know that I squared is negative 1, so negative 1 times I, which is negative I. So this one will be the solution after simplifying I to the power of 3. Also, I to the power of 4 is the same as I squared times I squared, whereby I squared, whereby I squared times I squared. But I squared is negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1, which is equal to 1. Then we have to proceed. From there, we have I squared, I power 3, I power 4, I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power 8, I power 9, and so on. Applying all the steps. So just introducing complex numbers, showing the imaginary and the real parts, and also um, the introduction, or how or where um, this I was brought from. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click the subscription button so that you receive a notification for the next episode